The snow plow with the MBS system has the same features as a classic plow, and in addition, the special neoprene cutting blade has an integrated system for de-icing brine injection. Unlike traditional snow plows that leave a thin layer of compacted snow on the road surface, the combination of the mechanical cutting and anti-ice brine injection causes the immediate melting of the snow, leaving the surface completely clean and already treated with antifreeze protection. The first part of the cutting blade mechanically removes most of the snow. The brine is conducted to the nozzles integrated into the cutting blade from a manifold fed by a liquid sprayer, a salt spreader, or simply a tank mounted on the truck. The brine is injected just before pressing the residue onto the surface. The final part of the cutting blade presses the brine into the remaining layer, accelerating the chemical fusion process, which melts instantly. The grip between the tires and the road should never be allowed to fall below acceptable levels for any length of time. With the MBS snowplow, the surface behind the plow remains already treated with de-icing brine, which prevents the formation of a new layer of snow. This approach enables a significant reduction in the amount of de-icing material required to be used. The MBS system prevents also the formation of hard-packed snow layer due to vehicle passages, which is by far the hardest condition to combat and to restore. MBS offers the smartest solution for snow removal services today, converting a potentially dangerous situation into a strong service improvement.